Question number 31. The value of is. Now the sum of digit 5 plus 4 is 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 is divisible by 3, so we can divide by 3. 3 times 1 is 3, carry 2, 20. 3 times 6, 18, carry 2, 24. 3 times 8 is 24 and 3 times 1 is 3. And 50 is 2 into 25 upon 32. That is 2 times 16. And the sum of digit 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 2 6 plus 3 is 9. It is divisible by 9 and 3 also. Here 3 we can divide by 3. 3 times 4 is 12. Carry 1, 12 also. Times 4 and 3 times 1. This 3 is cancelled, this 2 is cancelled. This is 41. This is square of 5. This is square of 4. And this is square of 21. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. 4 times 1 is 4. And 4 times 2 is 8. So 205 upon 84 is our answer. Question number 32. If, then what is the value of? Now 5 times 4, 20. 5 times 7, 56. And here 8 is second side plus 8. Now the integer of x, 9. 5 times 3 is 15. In second side minus. And 8 times 6 is 48. Second side plus. This is the value of x. Now 20 plus 8. 28 minus 56 is minus 28. Now 48 plus 9, 57. 57 minus 15 is 2, 4, x. Now divided by 14, 2 times 3. So x is minus 2 by 3. Then the value of 3x plus 4. X is minus 2 by 3. 3 is cancelled. Minus 2 plus 4 is 2 is our answer. Question number 4. Question number 33. Interdisciplinary problems is 2 or more different subjects bring together concept or skill to achieve a learning objects. Draw the lines of the symmetry in given geometrical figure. Only geometry. Second, draw a mirror image of given figure. This is also one subject. How many lines of the symmetry are there in given figure? This is also geometry. Number 4. Write your name. This is language. And draw lines of the symmetry. This is geometry base. In which alphabet beat wherever possible. Fourth is our answer. Combine 2 different subjects. Question number 34. Which of the following measurements in centimeter can be size of the right angle triangle? Our answer is second, because we know 7, 25 and 24 is the side of right angle. Question number 35. Difference in March and January. 840 and 500. Difference is 340 upon total 0, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 9, 18 plus 2, 20, carry 2, 2 plus 5, 7, 7, 14. 14 and 15, 29. 29 and 16 is 45. Multiply by 360. This cancel. Divided by 9, 4 times, 5 times. 4 times 4, 16. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1 is 13 upon 5 and divided by 5, 272. Our answer is 27.2 degree. Number 36. Article A for 382.5. Losses 15%. 100 minus 15 is 85. This is 0. This point is cancelled. 0 is cancelled. Divided by 85. 8 times 4 is 32 and 4 times 5 is 20, that is minus 2, 4. This is 5, this is 5 times, that is 450. B, article B, 616. Gains 12%, that is 100 plus 12, 120, 12, divided direct by 112, 5 times 55, and 5 times 2 is 10, that is 56, 5, 6, there is also 5, that is 558, there is 1,000. And if we sell 1180, that is profit is 180. Cost price is 100. So we can find profit percent. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 18 is our answer. 18 first is our answer. Number 37. Which of the following number is not divisible by 72? Our answer is third. Or this number is not divided by 4, that is 8. 2, that is 8 times 9. Divisibility test by 8 is last 3 digit number is divisible by 8. 8 times 8 is 64, carry 8, carry 6 and 88. Divisibility test by 9 is the sum of all digits. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 7, 23 plus 4 is 27. 27 is divided by 9. So it is also divided by 8 and 9, that is it is divisible by 72. Check second, third and fourth. Number 38. Which of the following is an effective teaching learning material to introduce basic concepts such as shapes, perimeter, area and characteristic of polygons? Our answer is geoboard. Question number 39. Raju invested a sum of rupees 7,000 at 20% per year for 1.5 years. Compound half yearly. Half yearly, that is multiply by this is 2, that is 3n, and this is 1/2, that is 10, and compound of 1.1 is 1331, multiply by 7, 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 3, 21, and 7 times 13, 91, 92, 93, and next I is 7,000, that is 23.5. 17. Amit invest rupees 8,000 at 10 year per year for 2 years. Compounded yearly. This is also compounded yearly. That is 1.1 bracket square is equal to 1.21, and this is 80. 0, 8 times 2, 8, 9, minus 8 is 1680, 7, 3, 7, 6. 637 is our answer. Second. If you understand this question better, then you can solve this problem in one step. Question number 40. On which numeration system the clock are based? Our answer is sexagesimal system, depend upon 60-60. Binary system 2, 0 and 1. Decimal system 10 figure 0 to 9. And hexadecimal system 16 digit 0 to 9 and 8 to F. Number 41. The height of the cylinder is 3 times the radius of the base. Height of cylinder is 3 times the radius of the base. If the area of base is 616, area is pi r square, and pi is 22 by 7 r square divided by 22. 2 times 44, 17 is remaining, and 8 times 22 is 117. Now r square is equal to 7 times 28 is 196, which is square of 14. What is the capacity of cylinder? That is volume. Volume of cylinder V is equal to pi r square h, and pi r square is 616, and h is 3 times r, and r is 14. 14 times 3 is 42. So 6 times 2 is 12. Our answer is this. 2 times 1 is 2 and carry 1 is 3. 2 times 6 is 12. Multiply by 4. 4 times 6. 4. 6. 4 times 6. 24. 2, 7, 8, 5, 2. This is centimeter cube. We can take the point after 3 position. We can meter. That if r is 7, then area of circle is 154. If r is 14, then 4 times. If r is 21, then 9 times. 9 times 4, 36, 138. Question number 42. A student was asked to arrange the following number in descending order. उतरती तरतीब में. The student wrote the answer. This is inverse. first number in descending order is 46, 32, 0, minus 20 and 50. Which of the following is most appropriate for response of the student? Our answer is third. The student has understand the concept of arranging integers, but has done a mistake by arranging them in increasing order. Question number 43. While teaching the concept of discount on item, a teacher can plan a trip to a local market. The most appropriate reason for this is, our answer is third. It would provide an opportunity to students to see different advertisements related to sales and to discuss with shopkeeper how to calculate it. Number 44. In a quadrilateral ABCD, if AB parallel to CD and AB is equal to CD, that is parallelogram A, B, C, D. B is 70, so D is also 70, and A is 110. This is also 110. So first is our answer. Question number 45. One of the factor is if suppose this is A, then this is A square. This is quadratic equation, Murabbi Masawat. So in multiplication 14, 7 times 2 is 14. And in plus minus, minus 5, that is result minus, this is plus. So our answer is 4. Number 46. The product of two rational number is minus 40 by 3. If one of them is minus 5 by 2, suppose second is S plus cancel 5 times 8, so second number is 16 upon 3, and the reciprocal of other is x, so x is 3 by 16. Then what is the value of 8x? That is 8 times 3 by 16, divide 8, 3 by 2. This is 1.5 and this is 2.25, that is 3.75. Our answer is first.